No.
That's Jude getting to know his puppies. And you okay with it, huh, Mama?
He's licking.
They're gonna get confused when they can't find what they're...
Watch, look at him.
You kissing?
Him loving.
You be a good daddy, Jude. You being a good daddy? Right, well, that's my sappy love. Look at that fat belly on that one. Is that Bob? He just got that biggest belly.
He's a little bit nervous.
He's like, I'm trying to do what Daisy do. Yes, I am. You're just loving on him. Hey, Jude. He's like, I will not move.
He's got his arm up in the air going, freeze.
There goes one puppy. There goes Byron. There goes another puppy. Another one bites the dust.
Look, he's trying to crawl back on.
Yep.
Jude. You can't rub on him.
He does not know what you're doing.
Head loving.
All right. You were so sweet.
Look at that right there.
I see that right there. There's a Bob. There's Mr. Bill. There's Byron. Let's see. There's Brittany over there scooching. And where's...
Boyd.
There's Boyd right here.
Look at him, he's licking. He's licking.
He's like, attack!
Oh, you could be a good daddy.
You are being a good daddy. What a good job. Now you're going to make him all fall down again, Jude.
He's all nervous.
He is. He's like, I don't have the equipment you look for.
I could be her.
He's falling off now. What's going on, Daisy? Is Judy helping?
They have their breast milk sleeping pill.